Hi, I'm Gabby, and you're watching Gabby Gabbers. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other videos. Let's start! Hi guys, welcome back. Today is February 1st, and we are outside in the snow. And it's super cold. My face is gonna freeze. And I'm close to my home. And here is a big pile of snow in our landlord's. Let's test it out. So fluffy! Oh my gosh! It's so deep!
It's so deep, right?
Someone help me!
Yeah. Yeah, today is February 1st, 2021. It's a big storm here in New York City. They say that it's gonna be up to like 12 to 18 inches. And look at this. The wind is so strong. And I don't know how many inches is that already on the side of the house.
It's literally 1 feet!
Yeah, it's a foot. Okay, come on, Gabby.
Because it fits my foot.
Let's walk over here. Let's walk over here. Let's see how the road is going.
Daddy!
Yes.
Help me out!
Come on, you can do it.
I can't.
Okay.
I did it. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
All right, come on.
Oh my god.
All right, look at here. Can we go to the road? Because you know the sidewalk is not clear yet. But let us see if the sanitation plow it already. Oh my god, look at how deep this is.
My foot!
Oh my god.
My shoe!
I know.
Mommy, my shoe! It fell!
It fell? Oh my god. God. No. Don't be barefooted over there. Come here. Oh my god. Because it's so deep.
It is so deep!
Come on.
My shoe fell off!
Okay, can you hold it?
Okay.
No.
So my shoe fell off apparently. And it's so cold. But at least I have my socks to work. It's super cold and windy. Woo! It's like a tornado, but less dangerous. It's so cold. Oh my god. You hear me breathing? My mask is so wet. I never talked this much in Gabby Gabby's adventure that much.
Now your shoes is good? Oh my god.
I'm cold.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Go over here. No. Go. Follow daddy. Follow daddy. Oh my god, look at the road. Let's walk over here in the highway. Look at the car. It's like buried.
It's a little, it's just 1 foot.
No, but over here they plow it, but look at the side. See?
Massive.
Yep.
This is what I call snow.
See how deep that is?
I really want to go back to my school.
Alright. Okay, Gabby. Gonna sit like that. Okay, come on.
I slipped.
Alright, let's see what's going on in here. The neighbor's plowing it. Look at the cars.
Something tells me that someone made a snowman. Daddy, they made a snowman.
Oh, this is a big snowman over here. Okay. Alright, just take a look.
It's so
Nice. Big chunky snowman.
Oh my god.
Alright. So what can you say about the storm?
Sorry. Yeah. Very cold. Super.
Yes.
Covered half of that car.
Oh my god, look at this car. It's covered already.
That's not your car.
Yep, this is NYC Storm, February 1, 2021.
Biggest storm.
The highway is open. But, you know, the mayor said that only for essential workers only. So if you are like somebody that works as a first responder, healthcare workers, but the thing is still dangerous.
Yeah.
It is still dangerous to like,
Knock down that sign.
I know, see the police on the other side is helping the guy that got stuck. You can see that he's being helped. Yep. And you know, that's a good cop over there. They're trying to push the car so that he can go into the highway. Oh, nice thing. Yeah, so that he can go to the highway
And go to his
and you know, was able to drive already. But you can see there's a limited number of cars, and if you don't have a four-wheel drive or an SUV, it's hard for you to like get out. And then look at this.
Can't edit it back.
Yeah, look at this. This is what happened. See that car? It's wrecked, probably go in an accident. It's being towed.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, over here, let's check your car. Let's check the Corolla.
Oh,
Yeah.
God, I hate this car. That's what I'm telling
I know, because it's so small.
you.
See this?
I don't like
There's
small
like a
things.
car over there, and oh my god, look at this.
Do
It's
we
so,
have to?
it's so deep. Come on, go over it. Oh my god, it's so deep. Oh,
Oh my God, that is 100.
yeah, it's so deep. Okay, and limited number of cars. You can only see like an SUV passing by because they are all four-wheel drive.
Be careful.
Because if you don't have like a four-wheel drive, it's gonna be dangerous for you. You might get
Oh,
stuck.
see? Some salt.
Yeah, that's a salt.
Oh,
See how tall it is, how high it is.
salt.
See, I have my
What happened?
ice getting into my
Oh my
shoes.
goodness.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
So if you can
All
see,
those things.
almost all of the stores over here is closed because of what happened.
Oh my God. OP. A dog peed.
Yeah, because even though it is snowing, people need to walk their dogs, let them go out. Gabby, it's like what, knee deep for you?
Yeah, it's this one. It's like your ankle.
And still, what they said, right now it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. 4 o'clock in the afternoon, February 1, and they said the storm will gonna be until tomorrow like 7 a.m. and it started last night at around 9 p.m. So Gabby's enjoying the snow. Good thing is this is fresh snow. Nobody touched it yet, so
No kid is out.
yeah, no dog peed yet. So this is one of our car, or this is our Corolla. I drove it yesterday, and right now I'm supposed to go to work, but I called out that I said, you know, it's dangerous for me
Oh
to
my
drive
goodness.
with a small car. So it's here.
Oh my god.
What happened, Gabby?
I just needed to breathe.
Oh, I know it's difficult for us to breathe, especially with a mask, right? So this is the other side of the street. These are the cars being buried, and you know, we're gonna take a day or two for us to get our cars. See that one? It's gonna take some time.
Wait, which one is that?
That's the Corolla.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Ah!
All right, Gabby, come on.
I
Let
can't.
us see. Let us go down over there.
To the park.
Not really into the park, because if you can see, it's still windy and the snow is coming hard still, so probably there's still more accumulation. Okay, I'm gonna follow you.
Okay.
Okay, so what can you say about the snow, Gabby?
Can I take off my mask?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, you can breathe. Yep, because you know it's only the two of us over here.
Yeah.
Nobody is like within 6 feet of us. So what can you say about the snow?
The snow is deep, of course, because you saw me like trying to get out of here right over there. And it's like so much. It's like my knee. Literally.
Wow, look at that.
As you saw in my other video when my dad didn't know how to edit, it was smaller. And I also recommend you gloves,
Yes, gloves,
jacket,
snow
pants,
snow pants,
snow
snowshoes.
boots, ow,
Yes,
and mask.
mask, and then a bonnet.